dancers, it's Chelsea and I am one of the instructors down here at Country Dance X in the Woodlands. So today we're going to be learning a super awesome line dance. Now normally this line dance is danced to Kerosene by Miranda Lambert, but today we're actually going to be demonstrating it with just a different song. So stick around at home, follow along, that way you're not on your butts next time you hear this in the dance halls. Alrighty y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate this dance and then we're gonna break it down. But first, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that button below that says subscribe. So we post a ton of two-step, a bunch of West Coast swing, and we're gonna be adding a lot more line dancing into our channel. So not only hit subscribe, but also that little bell off to the corner. That way you get a notification every time we're posting something. We wanna keep you guys in the loop, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start breaking this dance down. Now again, it is a 4-wall, 32 count line dance with a 4 count transition. So I'm gonna take you just through that very first rotation. We're gonna walk you through it and then we'll break it down step by step. So starting out to your first wall, we're gonna be starting with our right foot. We're gonna be going heel, heel, double, heel, heel, double, out, cross, unwind, hip forward, hip back. We're gonna do triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple, pivot, triple, pivot, 4 count transition. All right, so that's walking you through just that very first wall. So let's go ahead, let's take a deeper step and break that down. All right, so now breaking that down 8 count by 8 count, starting with your very first 8 count, I am gonna be taking my right foot and I'm gonna do a series of heel digs forward. So I'm gonna be going heel with my right, with my left, and a double on my right, and then I'm gonna switch to the same thing on my left. I'm gonna do left, right, double. All right, so let's see that one more time. We're gonna do right, left, double on the right, left, right, double on the left. All right, now going into our second 8 count, right after you finish that double heel dig on the left, we're actually gonna jump out to the side. We're gonna cross our feet. Now my right foot is going over my left foot, over in front. We're gonna actually unwind all the way back to face the front. So let's try that 8 count again. Now from that heel dig, we're gonna go out, cross, turn, and then we're gonna take a hip forward. We're gonna go hip forward, hip back. All right? So let's look at it just up to that point. If we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hip 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, so going from that next section, so after I finish that settling in my hip, I'm actually gonna be going through with the right foot. I'm gonna do triple step. I'm gonna bring my left foot through and do a rock step forward. Now, settling that weight back on my right foot, I'm gonna take my left foot back and go triple step to the back, then follow through with my right foot, rock step. So let's see that full speed. So if we finish from that hip drop, we're gonna go triple step, rock step, triple to the back, and rock step. Now following up, this next section is gonna be somewhat similar, but we're actually gonna add a turn in. So you're gonna go forward again with the right foot. Right after I've come from the back, I'm gonna go forward, I'm gonna go triple step. Now as I take my left foot forward, I'm actually gonna pivot toward my right shoulder to the back, and then I'm gonna be taking my left foot through, going triple step, and I'm gonna pivot toward my left shoulder back to the front, all right? So adding both of those together from my hip forward, hip back, I'm gonna go triple step, straight rock forward, triple step, straight rock back, triple step, pivot, triple step, pivot, and back to the middle. Alrighty guys, so after you've just finished that second pivot back to the middle, so you're actually gonna start that 4 count transition. So right after I've taken my left foot through, going triple step, pivoting over my left shoulder, I'm actually gonna send my right foot through again. I'm gonna pivot 90 degrees toward the left, and I'm gonna do a stomp, clap. That's gonna finish out the end of that rotation, and then right after that clap, I'm gonna start right back in with my heel digs, going heel, heel, double, heel, heel, double. All right guys, so that is it for today, but if there are any line dances that you'd like to see us do, like to see broken down, anything like that, we love to hear feedback from y'all, so make sure comment those below. Now we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate this to music, We'll see you next time.